Welcome back to another interesting tutorial about Filmora video editing workflow. And in today's video, I will show you on how to reset your Filmora video editing workspace into your default settings. In some cases, maybe you are trying to edit some stuff and you mistakenly close some tab or your workspace is organized, just like what you see on the screen right here. How do you reset back to your default setting in your Filmora video editing software? Let me show you how. The very first thing you want to do is to go ahead and come to the top right here. What you want to do here is to go ahead and click on View. On that view, go ahead and click on Layout Mode. Then from Layout Mode, you have different options right here. You can decide to switch back to Default right here, or better still, so just like what you see right here, then you are successfully returned back to your default setting in your Filmora video editing software. It's that simple. For more tutorial tips and tricks on how best to use your Filmora video editing software, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video.